How to add the Samsung Health Steps widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, touch and hold on an empty spot. Next, we go down and tap on Widgets. And here, scroll down and then tap on Health. After that, we scroll down and go to the Steps section. In here, there are 4 different widget size that you could select. We have the small one, medium size, and the larger size. So drag on the widget and drop onto your home screen and let go. Here, tap anywhere outside to save the changes. Then tap on the widget to set up your steps. Here, we need to go into settings and allow permissions. Then tap on the back key, and that's it. So whenever you go for a walk, your phone will start to count the steps. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.